Yo, what's poppin'? It's your boy TJ. Welcome back to the channel. We are going to be starting off with nevertheless Crilex trading. This guy has got 988 subscribers, so his link will be down below in the description. Make sure to go subscribe to him. Let's get him to 1,000 subscribers. He makes a lot of content to do with trading with the FTMO. You know, he does some back testing strategies and obviously clearly trades US 30. However, the video we're going to be looking at today, because I thought it'd be really beneficial for some people to understand the ups and the lows of trading with prop firms as such. And it's basically a video of how he lost his FTMO account. And he's talking about the mistakes. I haven't actually watched it yet, but it says mistakes and tips for trading a live account. So without further ado, we're going to get into it. But before that, make sure to like, subscribe. We upload every other day or every day at 6 p.m. But it will be one every 2 days without a fail of a doubt. So make sure to subscribe. We are blowing up at the moment, over 500 subscribers. Let's get it to 1,000. Without further ado, let's go, baby.
I guess this FTMO challenge was passed.
Maximum daily loss has been violated. Oh no.
Passed out.
I can't. I can't. Let's go. Let's get into it. Let's see it.
Hi there, it's nice to have you back on the channel. As we promised when we started the channel, we will cover our ups and downs regarding our day trading, and today is one of those days when I have to get humble and overview how I lost my first 10k FTMO funding. Let's see the account metrics.
So this is the
It's
account
possible,
metrics.
man.
Nothing much to see here. It really pains me to show you this, but again, it's part of my learning process. So there were 2 trades taken on gold and the one on Bitcoin. Let's cover the ones taken on gold first. I saw this uptrend and was quite eager to take my first trade as an FTMO funded trader. And I FOMO'd a bit here. I entered a bit early on this 21 EMA retest. And as you can see, the trade got taken out on this level, which would have been the level for my legitimate entry. So I opened another trade on this level, which in my opinion was a legitimate open. I'm not quite fond of this first trade. I already marked as FOMO.
1.6
this
minus first
got
trade.
taken out quite quickly. I didn't expect this for a Friday evening, but that's life. And now let's move to the Bitcoin, the trade that I took on
Didn't expect it this Friday evening, but that's life.
Bitcoin, which is this one.
I respect.
This is basically a trade that blew my account. So what I saw here was this descending that.
So basically, he's got a swap. So if you hold a trade over the weekend, you get charged.
Ended in quite an impulse to the upside. And I decided that once it didn't form a lower low anymore right here, and this level got rejected twice, I decided to enter a long trade here and to leave it overnight. That's why I had a bigger risk percentage here. Also provided that if 1 o'clock local time here passed, the daily stop loss limit would have been reset to 500 again. But as luck would have it, this position got taken out by this wick at
literally like the new hour turned and it just like dropped probably past his SL. He got swap charged as well, so he ended up losing more than he even wanted to. Mate, that's why you've got to have a trading plan, you know. Don't hold trades overnight. That's a good one. Like, and then that could have been avoided. It's just such a shame. Such a shame.
25 past 12, I think. And what I found quite curious is this swap here. But anyway, that's just a collateral effect. I mean, my trade was bad, and the thing that I took this trade after I already had minus almost 3% was kind of foolish on my part. Again, I was hoping that the day would pass and the maximum stop loss, maximum daily loss limit, sorry, would be resetted, but that wasn't the case. So these were the trades. Now let's go back to some important aspects.
Let's go back to it. This is it, man. This is when it's gonna get into it.
The first thing that I have to say is that trading a funded account is way different from trading in the challenge.
It
and the
actually
verification.
is. It
I felt
actually
this
is.
change on my mindset, and I wanted to trade now and make some profits right away, even if it was Friday evening and I had quite a long week. My focus changed from gaining percents and adding them up in order to make 10 or 5 to actually making real money. I thought I had this figured out prior to starting, but it turns out that it wasn't quite true. As a
True.
lesson learned here, I wrote a letter to myself in order to read it when I will be starting my next funded account. The letter is
That's a good
personal,
idea.
but it mostly covers the major topics that are presented in this video that you are watching. So we are in this game to make money. The thing is that there is a fine line between consistency and the casino mindset. My downfall was that I wanted to pull off a quick hit and run and then wait for my share of the take. As a takeaway from this, I gained the extra confirmation that I have to figure out and stick to a clear daily drawdown and stop trading right away if things don't go my way in that day. Wait a minute. Set a standard risk range. I use a 0.5 to 2%, just like apples. Yours could be bigger or smaller. The size doesn't matter that much if you know how to properly use it. That guy's really wise. Lastly,
That guy's
I didn't
wise.
really enjoy any of the trades that I took and felt like checking them on a
It's a psychological battle, man.
constant basis to see where I stand. I didn't do this during the challenge or the verification, and it feels like we are honing in on a huge mindset flaw on my part that usually I have to attend right away. Ask yourself on a deep level if you would have made the same mistakes that I did. I say this on the deep level because if I asked myself the same questions a few days ago, I think I would have found them quite funny and unreal.
Yeah.
Do this check and build and fortify your mindset because you will need it later on. And lastly, stay humble. Backtest and refine your base strategy every day. I didn't do this as much as I used to after passing the verification, and my confidence was way high going into this funded account.
That's the thing, man.
started slacking.
Confidence is high because you passed, you know.
And thought I
You got
had
the
it all
account.
figured out, and it was only a matter of time before achieving my goals. Well, no. This is the most important lesson learned, and I
No,
left
this
it
guy's
last
good. This
because
guy's
if
good.
you watched it all the way to this point, you earned it. Don't be result oriented and have the same work ethic if you are up 20% in a month or if you are down 5. Tweak and refine your strategy, and most importantly, work on yourself as a person. Read, eat healthy, and fuel that mind because trading is quite a demanding activity.
It
Keep
is
that
demanding.
confidence and self-esteem in check at all times and don't let it soar nor sink. Balance is key. So having said this, I wish you guys an amazing weekend and as usual, happy trading. Bye-bye.
Yo, this guy's an absolute god. Make sure to subscribe. Link in description. Get him to 1,000 subscribers. Some very good content in that video that everyone can take from that. Basically, just set up a trading plan and just stick to it. Even if you get the account, it doesn't make you a superior trader. You are still the same trader as you were when doing the challenges. So don't have an ego. Don't think that you're better so you have to work less because you're not. Just take it how you would take the challenge. And it's basically just consistency. Like he said, the gambler mindset or a trader mindset, you know. Don't get rich quick. Just take your time. But make sure to like, subscribe to this channel. We're uploading one every other day. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in a bit. Peace!